Siguro inuubos lang nila yung mga stocks nila, magsasara din ito mga to. Moon lamp. Ito oh, moon lamp, 3D moon lamp. Magkano? 35. Oh, 35 lang, made in China. 35 lang. Para ayok. So, mag-market na naman tayo, guys. Buhay OFW. So, fourth floor. So, titingin tayo dito ng iwan ko lang ito dito sa itong trolley ko, iwan ko dito sa labas. Yan. Kukuha ako na ng postcards. Mas madali kasi pag may postcard. So. Ang daming tinapay. Gusto ko ibili ng tinapay si aking alaga dahil favorite niya ang pwede na siguro ito $10. So tingin ako ng tinapay na magugustuhan ni alaga ko. Red band bun, wag yan. Something that he wants, likes. So how about this cupcake? I don't know if he likes. He likes this custard pineapple. What if this one? I'll try this custard pineapple since he likes custard, and I love this one, guys. So I'm going to pay this for my own money, only this one, of course. And they have breads, cakes. Ito naman guys, anong cake ito? Butter, and this one is Swiss roll. Pandan, gusto ko yung pandan. And my coffee, this one is coffee, that one is coffee, and this one is the Ovaltine. So they have a lot of choices anyway, so I don't need to buy much. And next I'm going to buy a tomato. Oh my god, this is too big. It's a big tomato. So I don't know what kind of vegetables I'm going to buy. I think maybe I get this one. So the price is $13.50. Maybe I don't need to go to the at welcome. So I will see. So I'll just get this one first. But the tomato, I don't want to get it. It's kind of very expensive. So I think it's only this. And then what else? Oh, they have other tomatoes here. So how much is this tomatoes is 13.90. It's only 3 pieces and it's not that big, so I don't want to get that. Kind of noodles is quite expensive. This is Japanese, but we have lots of noodles at home. But this is not udon anyway. Oh, this one is the udon. Can you imagine that is 39 and we have a lot of at home for free. So I'm searching something that my alaga wants it. My alaga loves, because it's very hard for him to. It's hard to feed him. So yet pakman some pack. So 3 packs for 100. If you buy this kind of. Ayan, thank you. Ito yung sa akin, oh. Yan. I'm going to buy this beef salmon. It's all expired. So I don't know what else I can buy. So I think I need to buy, maybe I need to buy some chicken wings. But so bibili ako ng ganito for my alaga kasi he loves this kind of stuff. Mussels. Magkano ba ito? The price is $30. So pwede na siguro to. So $30 I'm going to buy one for him. Pinamili. So this is $30. And then I buy this two kasi meron doon 100 for two. So I usually buy this for my alaga also, guys, because he loves this. So I buy two of this. So ang bibilin ko. So there are a lot of breads. Oh, this oats, mas mura itong oats na to. Siguro bibili ako ng isa nito. Or yeah, because at 26 lang siya. So bibili ako ng isa. Guys, bibili pa ako ng maraming Dove. Buti na lang dala ako ng recycle bag. Or so this one is 35. So ayoko niyan. So I think wala na akong bibili. Bibili na lang ako ng ano, kasi bibili sana ako ng coffee and drinks, pero parang wala nang. Bumili ako ng beef. Bibili ako nito ng sauce na ito. Bolognese. And then ayan. So I think enough. This is enough. Tingin na lang ako kung anong drinks na meron na medyo mura lang. Usually yung binili ko, oh my god, this one. This is usually what I buy, but it's kind of heavy for me. I have a lot of stuff. So maybe I'm really going to welcome. Guys, bibili ako ng shampoo na ito, guys. Kasi wala kaming ano dito. Mura lang siya, $39.90. $40. Kasi pa ko ng 10 cents, pero hindi yan dahil 10 cents, guys. So itong ano to, kasi masyado na ako maraming binili. Ayan, tama na ito. Bayad na tayo, baka mamaya hindi na tayo mabuhat itong lahat ng itong pinamili natin. Masyado ng marami. So pero parang ayaw ko munang bumili ng oatmeal. Ibalik ko na lang itong oatmeal, guys, sa ano. Ibalik ko itong oatmeal. Oy, ang dami ko nang binili. Parang ano, ang dami ko nang binili. Ayaw ko na lang itong oatmeal. Ibalik ko na lang siya. So merong dark chocolate dito, $31 siya. So merong ding hot chocolate. Bibili sana ako nitong hot chocolate na ito. Ano to? Ano kaya? Bibili kaya ako nito. So bibili kaya ako ng isa. Ayan. Ayan, kaysa naman ito, ano lang ito 31 and then 8 packs. Ito marami na kasi ito So ito na lang, or the original. Yan So yan yung price niya. So bibili ako ng isa nito na lang. So ibalik ko na lang yung oatmeal, guys, kasi masyado na ako maraming pinamili. Tapos bibili pa ako ng maraming Dove. Ayun. So ako ba kinuha itong oatmeal na to? So I took it from here. Yeah. So I took it from here. So I'll put back in here. So wala na tayong oatmeal. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog, guys. Kasi magbabayad na ako. Marami-rami itong pinabili ko. And then downstairs, bibili ako ng ano. Bibili ako ng maraming Dove. So I think mga 6 packs of Dove bibilhin ko. So magbayad na tayo. Palaki din bayaran ko nito, guys, kasi ito pa lang siya 100 na, tapos ito 100, tapos ito 30. So malalaki yung bayaran ko nito.